I admit it. I got the garage not all the way down. That's good. My garage is a freaking mess. But you know what? It's good enough to get the car in there right now. I'm gonna go up there and get it. We're in. Just gotta put the casters on the car. Turn her around. She's mad at me. You can hear it. Absolutely mad at me. Didn't want to go away. For the winter time, all the trees are down for the summer. Mad I had to put her away. But there she is. We're supposed to get a lot of snow. Lots of snow.